But who is setting the agenda in Bengal? Is it Modi or is it Mamta? From Jai Shri Ram to reservation and OBC status for different castes to Durga politics to now Khela Hobe versus Vikash Hobe. Who is setting the agenda more frequently in this very tense battle for Bengal? Take a look. We tried to decode it for you.
बीजेपी बोले विकास होवे.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking the Khela Hobe bull by the horns in Bengal.
दीदी बोले खेला होवे, बीजेपी बोले अस्पताल होवे. दीदी बोले खेला होवे, बीजेपी बोले स्कूल होवे. दीदी स्कूल होवे.
But embedded in this fiery retort to Mamta's rallying war cry is a reality. In this round of the Bengal battle, it is Trinamool that has set the agenda. Forcing the BJP to engage and craft a response.
दीदी बोले खेला होवे, बीजेपी बोले ग्रामे ग्रामे दोनों सुविधा होवे.
The flashpoint at Purulia is only the latest in an uninterrupted war to set the narrative, the agenda and the fodder of this battle. Here's a quick look at this tug of war so far.
बोला दीदी, जय श्री राम के नारे से आपका क्या अपमान होगा? माताएं बहनें भी उठाइए दोनों हाथ और जोर से बोलिए जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय जय श्री राम.
दोनों हाथ ला करके बोलेंगे जय जय श्री राम, जय जय श्री राम.
It all started with a Jai Shri Ram roar. A persistent high-voltage campaign that Mamta couldn't ignore and was forced to engage.
राम किसको पूजा किया था? दुर्गा पूजा किया था. हम दुर्गा पूजा करते हैं. I am also Hindu.
And then, with a fiery self-declaration of her Hinduism.
Tondo Mondo Budbodhe Devi Durga Bijo Binashini Sarbo Sharti Rike Devi Jagodhatti Namostute.
When the BJP used the opportunity to taunt Mamta's newly flaunted Hindu bhakti, it forced Mamta down another path, into a series of temples. But as with the Khela Hobe versus Vikas Hobe flashpoint today, Mamta has managed to get the BJP to follow her tune before too. Because just hours after the Trinamool Supremo promised OBC status for 4 castes in Bengal,
কিছু সম্প্রদায় আছে যেমন মাহেশ্বর, তিলি, তামুল, সাহা যারা ওবিসি হিসেবে স্বীকৃত নয় কিন্তু মন্ডল কমিশনের প্রস্তাবিত তালিকাভুক্ত সেই সম্প্রদায়গুলোর ওবিসি স্ট্যাটাস পরীক্ষা ও প্রস্তাব করার জন্য একটি স্পেশাল টাস্ক ফোর্স গঠন করব যাতে তারা ওবিসি তালিকায় সকল সুযোগ সুবিধা পেতে পারে.
The BJP was forced to jump in and promise the same thing. As this non-stop war for agendas continue, Bengal's state of war gets even closer, with less than 10 days to go for the first polling. With Polami Saha and Suryagni Roy in Purulia, Bureau Report, India Today.
Shri Rupa Mitra Chaudhary of the BJP is back with us. I hope that line stays. Congratulations, madam, for being chosen as a candidate by the BJP in the upcoming election. News that broke to you here on the show. But yes, go ahead if you can hear me, Ms. Chaudhary, on the Prime Minister's big message today to the Trinamool, as well as whether it is Mamta or Modi who is setting the agenda.
Well, Modi ji is setting the agenda for sure. Modi ji is setting the agenda. Modi ji is setting the agenda for sure. And what Modi ji is talking today is the politics of development. He's talking of politics of development and inclusive politics. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. And he has been spearheading the development agenda throughout India, and in Bengal also he is trying to push his agenda of development. But unfortunately, Mamta Didi, she does not allow Modi schemes to come up. All the flagship schemes that Modi ji had launched, whether it is Ayushman Bharat or it is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana, none of them have been implemented by Mamta Didi. And she believes in the politics of confrontation. She doesn't believe in the politics of cooperation with the center. And she talks about federal government, but she hardly respects the central government. So that's the problem in our state. And we are facing this problem ever since last 45 years, that we have never seen that the center and the state in one line uniformly talking about development.
Okay.
We are the first time Mandi Modi ji is talking about the inclusive politics. And Mamta Didi, she is showing so much of disgust for Jai Shri Ram. And we are so hurt that why she wants to divide, why she wants to become communal. We are
people food, which can give people security. We are talking to people about their day-to-day needs. You have seen during Corona pandemic the way we have given food security to people. You have seen in the Corona time we wanted the migrant workers to come back to their
place, but Didi did not allow that to happen.
Okay.
The Shramik train which was coming to all the states, bringing their labor back, but in our place, Didi stopped the Shramik train, and that's the problem with Didi. She believes in fighting, she believes in confrontation.
Riju, the picture being painted by the BJP is that Mamta Banerjee is confrontational. She constantly fashions herself as a street fighter. You know, she enjoys a good scrap, political scrap. And what the Prime Minister was saying today is, do you want a street fighter as the Chief Minister, or do you want progress and do you want development in the state of Bengal? That appears to have been the message from the Prime Minister.
Yes.
Shiv, again, I have to remind your viewers and to Shirupati, and first of all the best to her for her upcoming elections, that this is the only state which provides free healthcare, free ration, free education, and free life insurance to every resident of this state. And talking about migrant workers, Mamta Banerjee paid for the trains. The trains are controlled by the railway ministry, whereas they couldn't give trains to send our labours back, but they're sending chartered planes to take the turncoats of Trinamool marked by corruption to join BJP. So it's very rich coming from BJP. But I will say that if you talk about development, this is the only state where there is no farmer education. Farmers' income has tripled. And that is why you have done so much development nationally that the farmers are going to every poll-bound state saying, vote for whichever party you want, no vote for BJP. So that talks much about the development BJP has done. So let's not get into this narrative. I think Narendra Modi ji should follow Mamta Banerjee's development in Bengal and take it up as a national model.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.